Okay, tangent ratio to find the side. So we've already gone setting up tangent ratio. We're actually going to focus on using it to solve for sides of a triangle now. So for instance, in this question, let's say we have angle 60. Yeah, 60 is good. Right? This is 60 degrees, and this side might be 5 meters long.
90 degrees.
Okay? This is 5 meters long, this is 90 degrees, that's 60 degrees. We're looking for this unknown side here. We'll call it x. Well, in reference to my angle, I have this angle, I have the measurement of the adjacent side, and I'm looking for the opposite side, which means I'm going to use tangent ratio. So tan theta is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. In this case, theta is what value? Not x.
Oh,
Represents an angle. 60. That's right. 60 is going to replace our theta. Okay? So tan 60 is equal to the opposite side is x. Okay? So we're going to put x in for that value. And then the adjacent side happens to be 5. So we're going to put 5 in for that value. Okay? So what we've now set up is a ratio. Tan 60 is equal to x over 5. The goal is to get x by itself. How would I get x by itself in this case? If it's x divided by 5, how do I get that 5 out of the right side of the equation? And when moving it to the other side, multiply. This is using tangent ratio to solve for sides. So, $60 times 5, tan 60 times 5 is equal to x. So we're going to set that up now. X is equal to 5 times tan 60. Okay. Now this is where you guys are going to use your calculators. My calculator I'm going to bring up here is a little different. It's not the most advanced one, but that's fine. Your calculator, you might have to type the angle in first and then hit tan, or you might have to put tan first and then hit 60. The most important part is, if you notice, my calculator is in degrees. Okay, we're working in degrees. If it says DRE or DEG, okay, that means you're in degrees. If it says RAD, GRAD, radians, you're in the wrong mode and you have to change the mode. So, 60 tan gives us this number times 5, 8.66. So the measurement of that opposite side is 8.66. I think it's meters, so 8.66 meters. Okay, so we've done that finding when we're looking for the opposite side, but what about if we're looking for the adjacent side of a triangle? Let's set that up. So we have our triangle here. We're going to name it ABC again. We know that side B is 90 degrees, okay? This angle down here is going to be 41 degrees, and this will be 87 meters long, okay? Now, referencing these angles, we have angle C, we have the opposite, and we're looking for the adjacent. We'll call this A in this case, okay? So, we're going to set up our tangent ratio again. Tan theta is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Theta is what value in this case? 41, good. So tan 41 is equal to, what's the opposite? That's right, 87 is considered opposite. And our adjacent, we're going to use the symbol A to represent our unknown. Now in this case, the unknown is on the bottom of a fraction, which makes this a little more difficult for us to isolate. So, just like we had done above, when we wanted to move 5 over to the other side, we multiply. I want to move A to the other side. I want to get rid of the fraction. To move A to the other side, what do I have to do? It's the same as working with a number. Multiply by A. It's the exact same process, it's just an unknown number. So, A times tan 41 is equal to 87. We're not done here. We're trying to isolate A. So to isolate A, what is my next step? What do I need to move? That's right. And when I bring tan 41 over, what does it become? That's right. 87 over tan 41. Okay? So, no, this will be a little different. Now, on your calculator, you're going to have to, depending on what type of calculator you have, you might have to be very specific with yours. I'm actually going to have to hit 87 divided by, and then I'm going to have to put brackets. Bracket, 41 tangent. Now see how it's written up here? End bracket. And then I hit equal 100. Okay? So in other words, side A is 100 meters long. That's what we've gone to there. So when we're looking for the adjacent side using tangent ratio, it's about one extra step. And we're looking for the opposite side, it's a little easier. It's pretty much just one step altogether.